Hi, today we're going to talk about the on-air makeup ring light. Now this is a 6-inch LED ring light, as you can see here. This is the front of the box, and then this is the back. Now before I begin, I just want to say, if you can subscribe to my channel if you would like, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. And also, if I've added value with this video, do hit the like button and leave me some comments. I always look forward to reading your comments and responding. Now, let's begin. So I'm going to be unboxing this item and then also just to build it out to give an idea how it looks like. This item is great for podcasting, studio recording, video conferencing, online gaming, vlogging, and more. It has 3 light modes, the white, and then also soft white and yellow. So those are your 3 light modes that this item will provide. It's the white, the natural, and the warm. Usually I like to say the warm is kind of yellowish, and then the natural is kind of like the in-between. But you know, it's specifically said white, natural, and warm. So those are your 3 light modes. Now, what's unique about this item? It's the extendable rod, the foam mount, and the tray. So it's very, very easy to use for traveling. If you're going on an airplane or you're traveling, it's very, very easy to just pull this out and start recording and doing your videos. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside. Okay, so what we have here is, as you can see in unboxing, is one big giant plastic bag. Pull it out. There's styrofoam inside. Everything else is already in the bag. And then the great thing about it is once you take it out of the bag, there's an instruction manual. This is very important. Usually it's good to follow the instruction on the manual. Let's put that aside. And basically it's kind of like a makeup kit once you pull it out. So there's a mirror, and then you have your on-air. So this is kind of like your base right here. So let's pull this out. So once I pull this out, I just pull. As you can see, once I open this box, I have my phone holder, stretchable phone holder, a little screw right there. I have my clip. So there's the clip to kind of clip your phone holder onto the pole of your ring light here. I have my wires, which is USB for power. So you'll need to actually get an adapter to plug into your home wall jack and then plug this into that adapter, or just plug it into your laptop or your desktop for power. And then your remote. And the remote, once again, is always your red is the on and off switch, the minus for the brightness level, and the plus for the increased brightness level, and the modes is in between that. So let's go ahead and just open this up. So as you can see, it was laid down like that. You know, it was closed, open it, and then what you want to do is you want to shove it a little bit and pull this up. There it goes. Now it goes up. And then your base gets locked right here with this thing. So once it's there, I'm going to twist this, and now, as you can see, it's fully up. Now what I can do is I can lift this up. There you go. So you're lifting it up, and it can go quite a mile. It extends to the height, which is not bad. So once again, this is a 6-inch LED ring light and the extendable rod foam mount and tray with base. So this is an instruction booklet, and as you can see, so I'm just going to read off some specs. So basically the ring light diameter is 6 inches. The height is 10.5 to 21.5. So this actually goes up and down, up to 21.5. I'm going to keep it low for visual purposes, so you can see it right there. And I'm going to just plug it in to get some power. Now, before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this snapper right here that snaps to this pole right here. I'm going to use the ball to put it into my phone holder. So let me go unloosen my phone holder with the screw, push the ball in there, and then tighten it a little bit. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I just want to figure out where I want to actually have this. I'm just going to open this up. Oh, that's unloose. So if you notice, there's a screw that's in the back right here. So this screw kind of determines if you want to loosen it up, you can actually open the mouth when you press it more. See right there, because it gets hit by the screw. So if you want less, just tighten the screw. As you pull this metal bar up, those tears, the metal bar gets smaller and smaller. That's the reason why they want to have the screw. So since I'm all the way on the bottom one, I'm just going to unscrew to the max. So now I can open the mouth widely. So there we go. So I'm going to stick this in here. As you can see. And then I'm going to be putting in turning it over into the center. Lift this up a little bit. There you go. And I'm going to tighten this. And I'm going to put my old iPhone onto here. So this is, like I see, it's a pull. So let's pull this out. There we go. There we go. So as you can see right here, we have everything here. So let me just power this thing up. All right, so it's now stuck in there. And if you notice, the power comes on the red dot. So click on that and boom, we already have it. So we have the warm light on, or this is the white light. So let's check the modes. The modes is in between the plus and the minus. Just go click on this. I think this is your white light, I would say. And then this is your warm light. Warm light, white light, natural light. Actually, white, warm, natural light. So those are the kind of the color temperatures that you have. So let's just stick with this one and let's just increase the brightness level. Let's see how many levels there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we decreased it. Now let's increase it 10 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have it. What is the pricing on this item? So the pricing on this item is about $15 if you were to get it from TJ Maxx, Ross, or Marshall. If you were to buy it outside, it's probably like $20. So give or take, it's around there. My feedback on this item, would I buy it? I would buy it because it's very compact, it's very small. Everything fits in the case of the base. So it's a very good traveler. But, you know, it actually, the drawback to it is that it does limit you on what you can do with it. So if you're trying to do like comics or cards, you know, different things that are huge is going to be a little bit tough. But if you were to just do your typical vlogging, podcasting, studio recording, video conferencing, online gaming, or some typical streaming, it should be fine. Now, once again, you have your white, your natural, and warm light, the three modes. And the great thing about this is that you can pull it up and pull it down, and everything is all in this case. So you have everything with you. That's one of the great things about this that I like. So for my take on it is that, yes, I may use it if I was doing cosmetics, or if I was doing, like hairstyles. It's very close. But for me, I'll probably need something bigger just on the stuff that I do. But I hopefully unboxing this added some value, so that way you get an idea of what's in the box and make a decision from there, informed decision. Let me know if you have this, what you think about it. Leave me some comments. Hit the like button if I've added value to you with this video, and definitely I'm always welcoming you to subscribe to my channel. I'm always posting new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you.